Hi, and thank you for taking the time to discover more about the Charity Accounts app for Dynamics 365 Business Central, designed and built by Tisky. In this short video, I'd like to show you how this app fits seamlessly within Business Central, enhancing the standard financial functionality to help non-profit organisations better manage their donation receipts, funding expenditure, and gift aid. Once the app has been installed, what does the Charity app actually do? The first thing to notice is the availability of a dedicated Charity Manager role center. This provides a desktop page upon logging into Business Central where all the key functions for managing your charity can be quickly accessed without having to navigate to other parts of the system. In the Actions section of the page, you have quick links to all the key charity functions of the system. There are queues, providing a quick overview of expiring restricted funds. And the Charity Manager Role Center also provides an overview of your charity funds with graphical displays of the current value of your funds in the Insights section. The Charity Finance app makes the management of donation receipts simpler by providing additional fields in the cash receipt journal batches. Here in the Cash Receipt Journal, you can record details of individual donors, as well as marking the donations as sponsored events and if they've been selected as gift aid. If the donations are to be designated for a particular purpose or fund, then this can also be recorded in the journal, including the ability to enter an expiry date for when the donation becomes unrestricted, if that's relevant. And because the Charity Finance app maps your general ledger accounts to dimension values, selecting the relevant fund dimension automatically controls into which general ledger account the journal lines will post to. So, when ready to use your funds, similar functionality in the purchasing area of Business Central will manage designated funds, and costs will be automatically adjusted in the designated and revenue accounts upon posting the invoice. All transaction movements are tagged with the relevant fund dimensions. This allows detailed reporting using Business Central account schedules and analysis by dimensions, or other tools including Microsoft Power BI. Corrections are managed by the system in a similar way. This ensures that if invoices, for example, are posted incorrectly, then it's easy to reverse and credit the error, as funding entries are identified by the system and automatically corrected as part of the posting routine. Back in the Role Center, a designated funds page is available, and this allows the user to view and drill into restricted fund accounts and provides an overview of revenue, expenditure and current balance for each fund. This page can be filtered by date to allow you to zoom in on a specific period, for example. Similarly, an unrestricted funding report is also available, which identifies the value of each of your designated funds where the restriction has expired. An option from the Actions option on the toolbar allows you to easily transfer these expired funds out of the designated funds and into an unrestricted fund account. Managing gift aid is greatly helped by the Charity Finance app by using the gift aid summary report. By running this report and entering the start and end date, all donations marked as gift aid when they were receipted into Business Central will be found and processed according to HMRC rules. So, for example, the gift aid summary report will total all non-sponsored entries up to a specified amount with the same donation date and mark these as aggregated donations. It will include as separate lines all non-sponsored entries where the amount is greater than a predetermined amount with the donor's details. And it will also include on separate lines all sponsored event donations over a specified value, again with the donor's details. This report provides an option to export to a CSV file in a format that can then be quickly copied and pasted onto the online claim service form downloaded from the .gov website. In addition, this report will also calculate the reclaimable gift aid value and then populate a journal that can then be posted by the user. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope this has provided an introduction into what TISCI's Charity Finance app can offer. If you are interested in seeing more detail about how this app can help manage your charity, please go to the Microsoft App Store website to download and install the app as a free 30-day trial into your Business Central environment. Thank you very much.